Hi and welcome to Tonya Creates. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create QR codes inside InDesign. So right here, I have a document open that I've already created that I'm going to add the QR code into. Now, basically, QR codes are very beneficial for linking to websites, maybe passing an information or just having contact information. So to create or to generate the QR code, I go to Objects, Generate QR code. Now you see this dialog box. You have a number of types of QR codes you can create. So in this drop-down menu, you have the web link, you have the plain text, you have text message, you have email, and you have business card. You can just cycle through them and see the differences. Text message where you have a phone number, the message you have for the email, you have other fields that you can fill in, a business card and other information. So in this video, we're just going to pay attention to the web hyperlink. And also you can you notice that you can actually choose the color of your QR code. But I'll stay with black, go back to my content, and I want to add the URL for this design, which is seasonsonline.org. So I'll just come in here. I'll type in https://seasonsonline.org. Basically, this URL must have been already available online. I could easily have gone to the URL, copied it, and pasted here. So once I click OK, it generates the QR code for me. So I can easily click, but in this case, I want to press W just to see my guides and click and drag. So depending on how large you want it to be, you can have InDesign place it for you by either clicking or just clicking and drag to size to your own liking. One other thing you can do, if you go back to Objects, you can also edit the QR code. For example, if I want to change something, maybe the URL was wrong or the client changes his mind and says, okay, I want a text or plain text or text message or any of these other types, I can easily go in and change it. So in this case, I would want to have maybe one of the colors that I used in the design. So I just scroll down and check. I have more of red here, so I could just click this and you see the QR code is changed and everything looks beautiful and ready for publishing. One thing you need to do is that you need to always test your QR code to make sure that everything works as you would want it to be. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial. Hope you learned something. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, because every week I bring you new videos like this one and even more great things in store for you. Do take care and catch you in the next one.